Pilya now inside. Only Starlight. Moving forward. Seems like we're all set now. Good luck, racing fans. Stand by for dispatch. 1,300 meters. Good luck on your pick 6 choices. They're off and racing. Black Magic Woman showing early speed away from the gate. Running in second by the Release Pilya, and in third or outside is Hula Discovery, and in fourth by the Rail Amazing Call, and in fifth is Lirpa's Choice Expensive. Then comes Oak Hill Princess. Next in line is Hula Discovery, Starlight. Moving upon the outside, LC Elsa. Racing third last, Edward the Great, Windy Star, and Benji Sprayer is racing in 13th. Inside the last 700, Black Magic Woman in front by about a length and a half. Running on the outside, second is Pilya, and in third is Expensive. Rushing up now on the outside is Starlight. Then comes Hula Discovery, Amazing Call as they turn forum. Pilya moving up down on the inside is Expensive as they turn forum. The lead now belongs to Expensive, followed by Pilya. Racing on the outside is Lirpa's Choice, and down the stretch they come. Expensive, followed by Lirpa's Choice, or rather Benji Sprayer in the middle portion. Last 100 meters, Benji Sprayer over Pilya, Expensive, and finally Benji Sprayer. Pilya, Expensive, Lirpa's Choice for your quartet. Then comes Windy Star, Starlight, Hula Discovery, Edward the Great.
Kitang-kita naman natin gaano kagaling yung Benji Sprayer from